Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics and CAD. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about solutions of Engineering Graphics and CAD in Minor Examination 1 for mechanical students. That exam was held on October 23, 2024. The maximum marks are 25. Let us see the question number 1. The question number 1 is answer the following in brief. See the first question. The size of A2 drawing sheet is dash. Here you can see the different types of drawing sheets are available in engineering drawing. A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. A0 drawing sheet is 841 into 1189 mm. A1 is just you can fold A0, you can get A1 sheet, that is 1189 by 2, that is 594 into 841 mm. A2 is again fold this A1, you can get A2 sheet, that is 841 by 2, that is approximately 420 into 594 mm. Again fold A2, you can get A3. A3 equal to 297 into 420. A4 is 210 into 297. A5 is 148 into 210. So just you can remember A0 sheet, that is 841 into 1189, that is H into W. So the answer for given question is A2 420 into 594 mm. Answer is 420 into 594 mm. Question number B. The interior angle of a regular hexagon is dash. Uh, we know one formula, that is to determine interior angle of any polygon, that is theta equal to 180 degrees minus 360 degrees by n, where n is the number of sides. Here the given plane is hexagon. So hexagon having 6 equal sides. N means number of sides, that is 6. 180 minus 360 by 6, that equal to 120 degrees. In the given question, for example, in future he may ask pentagon. So 180 minus 360 by 5, that equal to 108 degrees. Question number C. A line AB lies on the horizontal plane and is inclined at 45 degrees to the vertical plane. The true length of the line is in the dash view. Let us assume the AB line length is 75 mm. Let us take one assumption value. Here the inclination with the vertical plane, that is phi equal to 45 degrees. Here I am assuming the true length value 75 mm. Just draw XY line. Here the line is inclined 45 degrees to the vertical plane. AB lies on the horizontal plane. So from this XY, draw 45 degrees with vertical plane. AB is 45. AB length is 75. It makes 45 degrees with vertical plane. We can see the true shape in only top view. In the front view, we can see the reduced length. This is the AB top view. From B point, draw the vertical projector. This name is B dash. Front view is A dash and B dash. This is the reduced length. So when the line makes angle with vertical plane, we can see the true shape in the top view. For example, when the line makes certain angle with horizontal plane, we can see the true shape in the front view. So the correct answer is top view. Question number D. Point Q has its top view 40 mm above the XY plane and its front view 20 mm below the top view. Draw the views and identify the quadrant. Okay, first draw the XY line. In the given question, he has clearly mentioned that point Q has its top view 40 mm above the XY. Above the XY means just to locate one, specify one point on XY. From that point, draw the 40 mm vertical line. Above the XY means uh, this point name is Q 40 mm above the XY. Give the dimension. The next point is its front view 20 mm below the top view. Here this is the top view Q. From this point measure 20 mm below this Q point and locate that point. That name is Q dash. Give the dimension. Here once carefully observe this solution. Here top view Q and front view Q dash both are above XY. uh, this type of possibility we can get only in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, both front view and top view are above the XY. The second quadrant position means above the HP and behind the VP. In that case, we can get both top view and front view are above XY. So the answer is second quadrant. Okay, second bit, that is 2a. Point P is 20 mm below the horizontal plane and located in the third quadrant with its shortest distance from XY plane is 40 mm. Draw its projections. Okay, this is the problem related to shortest distance. We can see the shortest distance only in the on the profile plane. So for this problem you need to construct two reference lines. One is XY reference line and one more is X1 Y1. Only uh, for shortest distance you need to take these two reference planes. Two reference plane intersect at one point, that name is O. In the given problem, shortest distance from XY plane is 40 mm and one more point is given, that point P 25 mm below the horizontal plane. You know that XY above plane is vertical plane, XY below plane is horizontal plane. So first draw the locus line 25 mm below the XY line. This name is locus of P dash. And also given that shortest distance from XY, here the intersection of XY and X1 Y1, this is above. From this point take your compass, take the distance 40 mm, cut the locus of P dash. This is 25 mm. From the intersection of XY and X1 Y1 take 40 mm, cut the locus line of P dash, join, this is the P double dash, join P double dash and O. This is the shortest distance 40 mm. From P double dash draw vertical projector and rotate up to X1 Y1 with the help of compass. Okay, for getting you can get the front view top view on X1 Y1, or you can keep 10 mm away from this X1 Y1. Just you can draw the parallel line 10 mm away to this X1 Y1. Just you can extend here. This is P dash front view. Next draw the vertical projector and also draw the horizontal projector. From this point you can get one intersection point, that is top view point. You can carefully observe this. In the third quadrant, front view is below XY and top view is above XY. You can also measure the distance from XY, that is 31.22. Otherwise you can apply the Pythagoras rule. We know that this adjacent side whole square place P double dash, this length whole square place this vertical length whole square equal to hypotenuse square. From this equation also you can get this length. Otherwise when you are using AutoCAD tool, directly you can get this this value, that is 31.22. The next problem is to be draw the projections of a 65 mm long straight line that is perpendicular to the vertical plane with one end on the VP and located 25 mm above the horizontal plane. Okay, this is a problem related to projections of straight lines 1. Here the line is perpendicular to the vertical plane, so we can see the true shape only in the top view. With one end is on the VP and located 25 mm above the horizontal plane. So first draw the XY line. In this problem clearly mentioned that line one endpoint is on the VP, so you can start from XY. Draw vertical line. This length is 75. We know that when the line is perpendicular to vertical plane, we can see the true shape only in the top view. So AB is the top view, that is below XY. 25 mm above the horizontal plane. In the we can see the front view, that is 25 mm above the XY line. So from the same point A, draw 25 mm line. That name is B dash of A dash, because when you're seeing from this side, B point is visible and A invisible. So that's why indicate with B dash of A dash. So with the by using HB pencil, you can highlight the final views. Here AB is the final top view. By using HB pencil, you can draw the thick line for AB line. You can highlight the AB. Then you can also highlight the point. In the front view, the line is appear like point. So locate the point at B dash of A dash. That is the front view. Okay, this is the final solution for the given problem. Next, move to the 3A. Draw the projections of a point A in the VP and 25 mm above the HP. This is a very simple problem. Directly given the condition. First draw the XY line. Just you can see here. We know that above the HP means above the XY. We can see the front view. Above or below gives the front view on vertical plane. And the second point is A in the VP. One is front view. You can directly decide the another point is top view. So locate or specify one point on XY, that is top view A. From that point, draw the 25 mm vertical line. That point name is front view, that is A dash. Now give the dimensions 25. Okay, this is the solution for the given problem. Above the HP means directly above the XY, that is A dash. Other point is on in the VP, that is top view A point. Next, the last question is the top view of a 75 mm long line measures 55 mm. The line is in the vertical plane with one end position 25 mm above the horizontal plane. Draw its projections. Here in the given problem, he has given the two conditions. True length is 75 mm, top view length is 55 mm, and its one end is 25 mm above the horizontal plane. First note on the given data. True length is AB or A dash B dash is 75 mm, top view AB is 55 mm, one end is 25 mm above the HP and in the VP. First draw the XY line. Draw the XY line means draw the reference line XY. Then mark point on XY line and draw the line AB, that is equal top view of the length 55 mm on the reference line. Just locate or mark one point on XY, that is A. This top view length is how much? 55 mm. Draw the 55 mm horizontal line. AB is 55 mm. The next step is now give the dimension 55 mm. Then from the point A, mark 25 mm above the reference line and mark the point name is A dash. From A point, draw the vertical projector up to 25 mm and locate the point. that name is A dash. Front view point, give the dimension, this 25. Then draw a straight vertical line above the xy from the B point. From the B point, draw the vertical straight line. Then, with the help of compass, take 75 mm true length and draw an arc which cuts on the vertical line which is drawn from the point B and mark the point as B dash. Okay, take your compass, A dash center, draw the arc on B projector line. That name is B dash. Now join A dash and B dash. This is the final front view. Then give the then measure the dimension. Then measure the inclination with horizontal plane, that is theta. This is 75. Measure the angle theta degrees and write down here. Just from A dash point draw one horizontal line. Measure the angle A dash B dash measure the angle between this horizontal line and front view A dash B dash, that is theta degrees. That value is you can measure with the protractor and you can write the answer here. Okay, this is the final solution for the problem 3b. This is the front view on vertical plane. This is the top view on horizontal plane. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.